Comparison and conditional statements are fundamental constructs in programming that enable decision-making within code. Comparison operators are used to evaluate the relationship between two values. Conditional statements use these Boolean results to control the flow of the program. They execute specific blocks of code only when certain conditions are met. Comparison operations in Python. We will declare that number 1 is equal to 20 and number 2 is equal to 20. If number 1 is equal to number 2, then display number 1 is equal to number 2. We assign the value 20 to two variables, number 1 and number 2. F-string and two quotes, we open the brace number 1. We open the collide number 2 without equal. So, it will display the number 1 as equal to the number 2. Now we are going to make a condition with elif. So we give number 1 is equal to 20, number 2 is equal to 20. We let number 1 be equal to 2. And in the message that will be displayed, of course, it will display equally. Now, we will use else if. We will ask him the second condition, number 1 is different from number 2. If the first condition is false, then it is the second condition is true. And it will be displayed.